Welcome to the SnowMelting.ca head office. The purpose of today's video is to help our clients find the requested information in order for us to determine whether or not their current electrical entrance is sufficient to install a snowmelting system on the surface they're looking to heat. So we are looking for your hourly energy consumption during the winter months. And to start, we'll ask that you access your HydroQuebec portal by entering hydroquebec.com in your browser. Now, if you don't already have a client space, you will have to call the toll-free HydroQuebec number and they will help you create one. It is a very easy process that takes almost no time at all. So if you already have a client portal, then you'll bring your cursor over the client space at the top of the page and go ahead and connect. Typically, they'll ask that you enter your email address and your password. For the purpose of this video, we will go ahead and connect to our own account to show you how it's done. Now, like I said, we're looking to get an understanding of your hourly energy consumption, so your kilowatts by hour during the winter months. Now, every home is equipped differently. How the home is heated and how much energy the household typically consumes will vary from client to client. So at the top of the page here, you have a lot of different tabs with very useful information found in each one of them, and I would encourage you to go ahead and browse them at your leisure. But for today's exercise, we're looking at your consumption. So bring your cursor over the middle tab at the top of the page, and then scroll down to the first option. Here you'll find Portrait of My Consumption. Give it a click and wait for the information to load. It can take a couple seconds. Now, the information that we ask that you send us will vary from client to client, all depending on your billing cycle. So we're looking for one spreadsheet for each billing cycle that's found during the winter months. Now, if this was a client, we would ask that they send us December to February, but then this billing cycle ends on the 1st of February, so we'll also be asking for the 4th of February to the 4th of April. Obviously, February being one of the colder months with the highest amount of snowfall typically. So we'll start off with the most recent billing cycle, 1st of December to 1st of February. So you'll click and then it'll be selected here at the top, and then you'll scroll all the way down. Here in the middle of the page, you have your history section. Now, automatically, the portal will populate your daily consumption, which is very interesting, but we're looking for your hourly consumption. So I'll ask you to give it a click on the hour tab up top and wait for the changes to occur. Then you'll continue to scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page. You'll have a download section. Now, be wary. Typically, this can be easy to miss because it's usually collapsed if you've never accessed it before. But for your information, it is the last section on the page. I'll ask that you expand by clicking on the plus arrow. And then you have your history download section at the bottom. Automatically, the website populates energy by hour, so just click on the second option. Sorry, it populates the energy by day, so click on the second option, energy by hour, and then go ahead and download that spreadsheet. Now, once the spreadsheet downloads, I'll ask that you open it up and just make sure that it's what we're looking for. Now, if a spreadsheet opens with an exhaustive amount of data and a lot of different numbers that looks like it makes no sense at all, then you know it's exactly what we've asked. So here you'll have your hourly consumption. So you'll see 11, 23, 22, 2100 hours for each day of your billing cycle. So it goes on for quite a while. Now give that a save and attach it in an email, and then repeat the process for the other winter months of your billing cycles by scrolling all the way back up to the top of the page, back to that first drop down area, and then go ahead and send us the other winter months. Wait for the information to change and to load, and scroll all the way back down. Now that you've done it once, the hourly consumption should continue to populate, but just double, triple check, making sure that it's on the hourly section. Continue to scroll down to the downloads. Again, energy by hour for the billing cycle that we chose, and then download that second spreadsheet. Waiting for it to download, and then again, opening it to make sure it's what we're looking for. And again, we've got that long spreadsheet with all of the numbers that we're looking for. So join that to the email, and then do it for the previous year and send it on over. If you have any questions or difficulties during this process, do not hesitate to give us a call, and we would be happy to help you walk through this process over the phone. You can reach us at 1-855-MELT-PRO, and until next time, have a beautiful day.